Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an LeetCode, which is LeetCode 257 binary tree path. In this question you just have to return the path from the roots to the leaf. Okay, means in this question there is a binary tree. You just have to return the, there is a two path. Okay, 1 2 5 and 1 3, means from root to the leaf node. Okay, you just have to return the path. So in this question, first this is a vector string type function, so you just have to create vector string answer. Okay, and then you just have to create an helper function which passes the root and null string and answer, and after that you just have to return the answer. Okay, so let's make a void helper function. Void helper tree node star. You just have to pass the root and string s, which is initially empty, and then vector string ampersand answer. Okay, and after that you just have to check that if root is equals to null, then you just have to return is equals to null, then you just have to return nothing. Okay, and after that you just have to create string a, which is to string, it convert the root, the toString function convert the int to a string. Okay, so this function is used to directly convert the int values to the string value, and after that you just have to create, you just have to check if root ka left is equals to null and root ka right is equals to null. If it is null, means if both from left node and right node is null, means it is a leaf node. So you just have to push back, you just to add this into a string and answer dot push back s and break this loop. Okay, I mean sorry, return this loop. And if it is not, then you just have to pass this function to the root of left and root of right also. So let's pass this function root of left s plus a, and then comma answer, and again you have to pass this same function right. Okay, let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. Okay, I just have to add this thing. Okay, because this is not a character. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thank you for watching this code.